Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another day in the life of a planner sticker shop. Today's video is a little bit shorter. I didn't have time to film like a whole vlog for you guys, but I still wanted to include this footage for you guys into a little video, just kind of showing you the behind the scenes and what I do. This particular day, I was working on Valentine's Day orders, so I was foiling, cutting, printing, all of the things. And I know I'm gonna get this question, so I'm gonna go ahead and address this. Will I do a foiling, how to foil stickers video? I have not perfected that yet, and I don't want to do a video on something that I don't feel 100% confident that I've mastered that yet. So as soon as I get foiling like perfected where I want it, then I will be doing a video on it, but not until then. Like I can tell you how to do it, but like I'm still trying to figure out the best settings, the best foil to use, all of that, and I don't want to make a video until I have all of that information for you guys, because I want to be able to give you guys the best information that I possibly can and the best quality and everything like that. So I'm not going to be doing that video just yet. It will be coming as soon as I figure all the foiling stuff out, but for right now it's not happening. So I just want to let you guys know that, because I know somebody's going to ask, and it's not that I don't want to share, it's that I want to make sure that I'm sharing information that's going to help you guys. And, you know, I just feel like I'm not there yet with foiling. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you do enjoy these videos, so that way I know to film more of them. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, so that way you can find my videos, watch them when I upload. If you click the bell notification, you'll be notified right when I upload and you'll never miss a video. And yeah, I think that's really all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me work a little bit. I know it's not like a super long video, but I hope you guys still enjoy the clips that I did get that day. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I